Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you that how can you remove scratch from your vehicle, and for that you need two easy peasy things which are available in everybody's home. First is the toothpaste and the other is the wet cloth. Considering the fact that for removing a scratch you need one, so you need three things. One is a scratch as well, and nobody laughed on my jokes. So with that level of disappointment, let's start the video right away. कोई नहीं हंसा यार. So guys, I am here with my car, and the first thing you have to check that your car's paint is not there. It is been taken off by someone, or someone's car paint is there on your car. Like here other paint is there, so that will only be removed if you will use this method. Other than that, if there is a deep scratch, that will not be removed. Okay, you can see over here these are some scratches which can be removed, but if you want to see a scratch which cannot be removed, so that must be over here as such. Yeah, this scratch can't be removed because the paint of this vehicle has been taken off. So now the scratch which could be removed is this one, so let's try to remove that one. And for the same you need two things. Okay, now let me tell you what two things you need. One is absolutely a cloth which should be wet. Okay, you can see it over here, it is wet. And a toothpaste. Now the toothpaste should be a white one, like this Colgate strong teeth. It cannot be the close-up or stuff like that. So now these are the scratches you can see. And now let me mount my tripod over here and I'll show you the method how can you do the same. So guys, now I'll take the cloth and I'll put a bit of this toothpaste over here, and here is the scratch. So now let's remove that scratch. And you remember one thing, that this process takes a lot of effort because it works like a rubbing compound, and when you use a rubbing compound, so you rub a lot. Same is the case over here as well. So first let's remove this scratch. You can see it over here. Let me zoom a bit. Yeah, this one. So now let me remove this. You can see this scratch is totally removed. Let me change the mode and then tell you. So guys, you can see there was a scratch here over here was a scratch. This is kind of a dirty thing, but let me clean that. There was a scratch but it has been taken off. Now I will not mount the tripod. I'll show you it right away so that you can see it properly. So now again I'll take cloth, I'll apply a bit of a toothpaste over here because it is removed as such, and then we'll move. So guys, you can see it over here. I have taken more toothpaste, and this is the scratch. You can see it over here. Let me focus a bit. Yeah, now it is greatly visible to you. These are the scratches over here. And now let me remove this also. This is a toothpaste. You have to do it like that. And so guys, now you can see the scratch is vanished over here. These scratches are kind of deep because the paint of the car is vanished over here. They will not go, but you can see the condition which was there earlier in the car is gone totally from here, not from everywhere. And now let's take off this one also in front of you guys. So right now I realize that this one is also a paint removal scratch, so that cannot be taken off. This one is a good. Other paint has taken place over here. Let me take this out as well, but for that I need more toothpaste. Okay, we are all set to go. That means our cloth is wet. We have toothpaste, we have scratch as well. Rubbing the toothpaste and off the scratches go. You can't see any scratch now. Let me remove this toothpaste. See, no scratch left over here. This is a deep one, that's why it's here. So this is only the process, guys, from which you can remove a lot of scratches from your vehicle. And please tell me about the stability of this video, because a lot of you were complaining about the stability. So that was all from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If yes, then give it a thumbs up, that is the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.